is Andres Lopez. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Iloasco City. I like practicing many sports in my free time, like for example basketball, football, and others. This time I'm taking phonology and morphology in intercession, which is a benefit and at the same time helpful, especially for a student who want to take advantages by taking subjects during an intercession period. First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction about what phonetics is. So phonetics is the study of speech sounds, which involve three important aspects. Number one is the articulatory phonetics. This is studied by using the palattography. And number two is the acoustic phonetic. This is studied by using the spectrograph. And number three, auditory phonetic. In this class we are focusing more on articulatory phonetic, which is about how sounds are articulated. So I have as objective for this activity to record a video in which I have to demonstrate what I know and what I have learned actually about phonetic symbol. So I'm going to do it by reading a passage which is written in phonetic symbol. So this is the passage I'm going to read. This is the original one. I did this bigger in order to see it better. So I'm going to read it 3 times, and I'm going to start now. Learning to read is probably the most difficult and revolutionary thing that happened to the human brain. And if you don't believe that, what an illiterate adult try to do it. Learning to read is probably the most difficult and revolutionary thing that happened to the human brain. And if you don't believe that, what an illiterate adult try to do it. Learning to read is probably the most difficult and revolutionary thing that happened to the human brain. And if you don't believe that, what an illiterate adult try to do it. I consider that this was a good activity because by reading a passage, the student has the opportunity and also the chance of evaluating himself about the progress achieved in phonetics. In the other hand, this activity is helpful for teacher because he or she have the opportunity of testifying the student progress in phonetics. Since this class is online, so the teacher has the chance of proving that the student is actually learning what the teacher is teaching in phonetics. So this is it.